March 20, I just packed my stuff. It's 11:20. Heading for breakfast. Very late, but yeah. Yeah, so my place doesn't want to do breakfast for me. Last time and the time before, no problem. Now they're making problem. Yeah, so the coconut guy gave me a coconut. Not gave me, I bought it for 60. This is fresh from the oven. Like, I never tasted one just from the oven. It should be so good. So I'm at JBS bus stand. It's Jubilee bus stand. Quite cool name, like Jubilee, from X-Men. So I still have an hour, more than an hour. So yeah, I need to go to 14 platform. I booked Airbnb. I didn't book, I made a deal. So I'm paying 3,100 for 3 nights. It's a little bit out of the city, but looks like very good reviews. And the host is also very kind. I like his manners. So I found my platform is 1920. Yeah, so one guy told me it is 14, the other one told me it's 1, and the other one told me just go to staff and ask them. So yeah, we have a kitchen here also. Have some tea. Finally, I got proper masala dosa, some tea, only 75 rupees. That's like less than Euro. So, this is my bus. It's local bus, but still looks very nice. Yeah, so I have a 5th seat from here, but like if I pay 200 more, I just could took like the upper deck. It would be much more wiser. But yeah, if you're booking, definitely go from 2 to 4. No more further, because that's the perfect seat. I took 5. I can feel, you know, this side more, like through the bumps and stuff. So the bus got a little bit fuller. It was completely full, but they made people get off. There's like some fee. something. And this dude pissed himself. He's super drunk, drunk as hell. So some of the piss got onto my bag. Good thing I had that waterproof thing, you know. But still, I probably need to wash everything. Nasty. Yeah, but what can I do? Nothing. Yeah, we still have 4 hours to go. Should be like 2:40, but we're only like arriving maybe 4 something. So now it's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. 4 a.m. Yeah, it's 4 a.m. 4:30. At the bus station. Yeah, so the ride wasn't that bad, but they made a lot of stops, and also this dude just like pissed himself. He was lying on the floor, like getting in fights. Yeah, there was piss all over the floor. My backpack was on the floor. Yeah, so that's not cool. Good thing I had this, so it saved me a little bit. So yeah, I'm waiting for a taxi and I'm going to my Airbnb. Yeah, so at my Airbnb apartment building. Yeah, past the security, so that's nice. They have security. Yeah, what is this? First floor. Okay, where names, scooters. Looks like a big building. Got my key. Yeah, wasn't very difficult, so yeah, so this is it, like a whole apartment. It's kind of neat. Balcony. As you see, I'm paying 1,000 per day, so that's not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a shower. I don't know, maybe I'll do one more video, maybe not. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. It's 5 a.m. even more. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.